you doing?
Feeding this hungry thing.
Yeah, cool.
Yep, we're getting ready to go to a race. It's our last bracket race of the year in Mokan. As you can see with the time change, it's dark out here this morning. Even the roosters are crowing. Sun's getting ready to come up. So let's get this day started. It's getting close to winter. So anyway, oops, there's light. You can actually see me. So anyway, this is the last bracket race of the year. So let's get this day started. We're all loaded up. Get ready to head out. Sun's not even up. So what bracket race number is this?
I think it's 8. I'm gonna wake you up.
I don't know if it's 8 or 9. Okay, we had one as a rain out. So this might be 9. I think we had 10. I don't know. Whatever it is. We know it's the last bracket race, right? So let's head on out. Okay, we found where they're producing all the fog at this morning. I don't know if you can see there in the distance, but it's making a lot of fog this morning.
Public service.
Public service of fog. Well, we made it. Last race. Lots of people here already. What are you doing?
Feeding this hungry thing.
Yeah, cool. What's it? stay here, that's for sure. Okay, Q1, Q2 is over with. That's my times. Anyway, car's pretty consistent between lane and lane. 60 foot was a little bit better in the right lane on Q2 section. So basically a 693 with the 5 the first time and 691 with the 2. I'm probably going to put a 690 on there, 691. So anyway, round 1 elimination coming up. Okay, this is the final points race. This is race actually number 9. We had 10 scheduled this year, but we had 1 rained out. And of course, all the COVID stuff made things.
All right, that will do it.
Less.
4 time runs. Get the seat next to your favorite speaker. Remember, you can hear us on.
We are sitting currently in 9th in points, and there's about a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 8 of us are within 3 rounds of each other. So this is going to be a tight race today. We're going to have to get as many points we can, and hopefully everybody else kind of have bad luck today. So, but other than that, hopefully we'll stay in the top 10. That's my goal for the year. I mean, if we can move up the list, that'd be great. But we'll do our best today, try to stay in that top 10. But anyway, we're getting ready to get pulled up here to round 1 come up here shortly. So can't wait to get this race going and go from there. But anyway, stay tuned for the rest of the the elimination rounds coming up, so you'll be able to see that. So other than that, see you later. Okay, we'll make this quick. E1 and E2, first round I did win. The guy actually red lighted, so got a lucky break on that. E2, not so good. I'll tell you what, man, I need to get better on my lights, and that's what's costing me these races. So anyway, I had a 65 light, which I know sucks, to his 39. margin of victory on that one was a 0009. So car ran its number dead on like it's supposed to, the driver not as much. So that's a wrap for this season. So I'm sad I didn't get in the winner circle. We'll still have a few more races toward the end of the year that we're going to go to. Hopefully we'll get it in there. But I'm going to have to do better on that tree to get this thing in the winner circle. So with that, let's go on and try to do better. Anyway, that's my time slips. So we're gonna go ahead and get loaded up, get out of here. We had, I don't know, like 3 oil downs. It's a very late running event. No fall of the track. It's just a lot of cars just breaking tonight. So anyway, we're gonna get this bad boy loaded up and get out here and get on home. So anyway, with that, until next time.